HUF or Hindu Undivided Family is a term you will hear in family businesses and tax planning sessions. It is not a company or a partnership but a unique legal entity rooted in tradition. But how does it work and is it right for your clients? Let's dive in. An HUF is a family that descends from a common ancestor. It automatically comes into existence for a Hindu family at the time of marriage. The family members are of two types: co-partners, who are individuals born into the family and have a right to the ancestral property by birth. Since the 2005 amendment, daughters are also co-partners with equal rights. The other type are members, like spouses, who have a right to maintenance but not a right to demand partition. The HUF is managed by the eldest co-partner known as the Karta. Functionally, an HUF can act much like an individual. It can own property, run a business, make investments and earn income from various sources. The Karta manages these activities on behalf of the family. However, there are limitations. The Karta's power is not absolute. They cannot sell or alienate HUF property without the consent of all co-partners, except for specific situations like a legal necessity or for the benefit of the estate. The primary reason HUFs remain popular is for tax planning. Under the Income Tax Act, an HUF is recognized as a separate legal entity, distinct from its members. This means it gets its own PAN card and is taxed separately. This allows for significant tax benefits. The HUF is eligible for its own basic tax exemption limit. It can claim deductions under sections 80C and 80D entirely separate from the deductions claimed by its members on their personal income. This effectively allows a family to have an extra taxable entity, leading to substantial tax savings. So, what's the verdict? The pros are clear: significant tax savings, protection of family assets from individual creditors, and a structured line of succession. However, the cons are serious. HUFs can be complex to manage and document. The potential for family disputes over property is high and the process of partitioning an HUF can be legally challenging. Moreover, with equal rights for all co-partners, the Karta's unilateral decision-making power is limited. The HUF is a powerful tool for financial planning, but it's a double-edged sword that requires careful management and unanimous consent. It is tradition meeting taxation. You have just been briefed. For more such insights from Vidhi 360, subscribe now.